What are the types of air compressors? You must have seen a machine kept in the bicycle shops. It's used to fill air in the bicycle tires. It is a mechanical device that increases the pressure of air by reducing its volume or by compressing air. The fluid here is generally air, since liquids are theoretically incompressible. Such compressors are known as air compressors. George Medhurst of England designed the first motorized air compressor in 1799 and used it in mining. Diagrammatically, the types of air compressors can be shown as. Let's see the commonly used in detail. In the positive displacement type, a given quantity of air or gas is trapped in a compression chamber, and the volume it occupies is mechanically reduced, causing a corresponding rise in pressure prior to discharge. At constant speed, the airflow remains essentially constant, with variations in discharge pressure. Reciprocating compressors, vane compressors, fall under the category of positive displacement compressors. Dynamic compressors. They impart velocity energy to continuously flowing air or gas by means of impellers rotating at very high speeds. The velocity energy is changed into pressure energy both by the impellers and the discharge volutes or diffusers. In the centrifugal type dynamic compressors, the shape of the impeller blades determines the relationship between airflow and the pressure generated. Centrifugal compressors, axial compressors are the types of dynamic compressors. Let's see some of the applications of various types of compressors. Reciprocating compressors are typically used where high compression ratios are required per stage without high flow rates and the process fluid is relatively dry. For example, it can be seen in petrol pumps and air filling stations. Centrifugal compressors are used in jet engines. Screw compressors are trailer-mounted diesel-powered units, are often seen at construction sites, and are used to power air-operated construction machinery.